Finally, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you something absolutely incredible. I will show you how to get ChatGPT Plus for absolutely free. Now, this is a limited time promotion where you can redeem a working code that gives you ChatGPT Plus for free. So, I am going to show you exactly how to get this. It is super easy to do, but there is a limited amount of codes, so you need to act fast. Let me go ahead and close out my apps, and let's get right into the step-by-step tutorial. Now, what you want to do is open up your mobile internet browser right now, and you want to search for this exact site, snapcoupon.org. There we go. Just type it in carefully just as you see it, snapcoupon.org. Then go ahead and hit search. This is the official platform that has all of the secret coupons for ChatGPT that we are looking for today. So we are going to tap on that little search bar at the top and just type in chat. You will see ChatGPT Plus promotional codes pop up right away. Give that a click and it is going to take you to the reward page. This gives you a full 12-month promotion code. There are still about few hundred codes available right now. I already redeemed mine earlier, so I know it is 100% working, but these codes are going very quickly. Now, you can only do this once per day per device. So, if you have multiple devices, you can easily get multiple codes. We are going to click the Show Coupon button. Then click on Get Full Code. This will bring you to a quick verification page to protect the system from bots and automated spammers. It is super easy to pass. Basically, you just need to verify that you are a real human by completing 2 simple free tasks from this list, like downloading a popular app or opening a quick offer. I ended up doing 2 simple free offers from the list, and it took me less than 2 minutes. If you see different offers, just make sure to follow whatever simple instructions they give you. It is extremely straightforward. It only takes a moment, and it is 100% free. Once you complete that quick human verification, you just go back to the original tab, and boom, your full code will be instantly unlocked for you. You can copy that code and activate your premium account immediately. There are still a limited number of codes left today, so make sure to grab yours right now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick method. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on this video. Do not forget to leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.